Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Vaibhav Agarwal from VIT University, will be explaining you a topic, a microprocessor in detail. The topic of the subject or the course is Computer Organization and Architectures. So, the microprocessor which I have chosen is ARM Cortex M3. As we can all see, this is the block diagram of the microprocessor I have used. These are the internal diagrams of each and every block: core, matrix, AHP port, ETM is right here, SPIO. Now the instruction set is as follows. It's a pretty big instruction set. Now we have the architecture of the ARM Cortex M3. The benefits to developers of the architecture is as follows: outstanding processing performance with fast interrupt handling, enhanced system debug with extensive breakpoint and trace capabilities, ultra low power consumption, platform security robustness. So here's block diagram of the same. Architecture with, so here's the architecture in detail. The Harvard architecture: control unit, instruction memory, data memory, both are different, ALU and the input and output devices. So register organization of the microprocessing element is as follows. The registers are 13 general purpose registers, stack point alias of bank registers, link register, program counter, one program status register, processor register set, general purpose registers, stack pointer, link registers, again the same. They I mentioned all of them in detail. Have a look. Application program status, interrupt program status register, execution program status register, priority mask register, fault mask register, base priority mask register, control register. So these were the registers in the ARM Cortex M3. The algorithm for signed and unsigned calculations, addition, multiplication, is as follows. This is the flow chart of the same. Multiply operation, multiplicand in B, multiplier in Q, XOR of this, A equal to 0, E equal to 0, sequence counter is equal to n number of bits in Q. So this is how we defined it. And then Qn, if it's 0, it goes to shift right EAQ, SC is equal to SC minus 1, or if Qn is equal to 1, then we perform an additional step before performing the shifting step, that is EA is equal to A plus B, and then if SC is equal to 0, then ends. Otherwise we repeat the whole process again. What type of control logic and correlate its performance? So control logic unit, like basically the control and everything, the whole control logic unit has been explained here by me. You guys can have a look at the same. The memory management system addressing capabilities, memory mapping technique are described as follows. Memory management system, here you can have a look. This is the block diagram of the same. Now the memory regions, types and attributes: normal, device, strongly ordered, shareable. Memory system ordering of memory accesses is the table. Behavior of memory accesses, memory access behavior, shareability and cache policies. Memory bit banding regions. Now I have elaborated the pipeline and parallel processing capabilities of the unit and the Harvard management technique. This is the block diagram of the same. 3-stage pipeline organization. Cache coherence problem. Processor level parallelism is not available in ARM architecture of the ARM Cortex M3. This type of parallelism, the type of parallelism are data level parallelism and thread level parallelism. So here's the diagram of the same. Thank you guys. Hope stay safe, stay indoors. Thank you.